Good morning, students. Today we are going to see journal part 4. In journal part 4, we are going to learn about journal for digital payments or journal for cashless payment. In the world, one country called Sweden, in that country 85% of the company using digital payment methods. Only 2% of the company using cash payment. Now we compelled to use digital payment methods. So we have to learn about journal entry for digital payment methods. Let's see now. Journal for digital payment or cashless payment. Banks offering number of facilities. One of the facilities net banking is also called e-banking or online banking, or we can call it as mobile banking. Through this facility, we can transfer funds. We can transfer the funds. For transferring fund, we can use NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, RTGS, Real-Time Gross Settlement, or we can use IMPS, Immediate Payment Service. Through these three, we can transfer fund from one person to another person. Then banks offering other payment methods through debit card or through credit card. Then modern days, one more new bank came into existence called payment banks, such as Paytm Wallet, Amazon Pay, Freecharge, like that. Through that, we can make payment. Today we are going to learn about these things. Listen carefully. Through this digital payment, what we can do? To transfer the funds, to receive the payment, and to make the payment. We can do three things. One, we can transfer fund. To receive payment. Three, to make payment. We can do mostly two things. One, to receive. Another one is to make payment. When we receive money, money goes to the bank. So bank will be debited. When we receive money from others through fund transfer, the bank will be debited. When we make payment to others through these facilities, the bank will be credited. Now let me see some problem relating to the digital payment method. On 5/9/2014, on 5th September 2014, goods sold for rupees 15,000. Paid by NEFT. So we sold goods, they paid by NEFT. So money deposited in the bank through NEFT. So money deposited in the bank. So the bank will be debited. So now we received money, the bank will be debited. So bank account data. We sold goods. We sold goods. When goods are going out, it is called sales, nominal account, credit all incomes and gain. So bank account data to sales. What is the value? 15,000. Once again, I am repeating. Goods sold, paid by NEFT. Once again, we sold goods, money received by NEFT. When we receive money, the bank will be debited. Goods are sold, it is sales, nominal account, credit all incomes and gains. Next transaction on 8th. Goods purchased for rupees 20,000, paid by credit card. It may be credit card, it may be RTGS, it may be NEFT, it may be IMPS, any channel. We should use the word bank. Whether we are receiving or whether we are making payment to others, we have to use the word bank. Goods purchased for 20,000 by credit card. Goods purchased, we can write as purchase. When we buy goods, we have to use the word purchase. How much? 20,000. The amount paid by credit card. The amount paid by credit card. So now we are making payment, so bank will be credited. Now we can write narration. Purchase by credit card. Next transaction on 10/9/2014. Fund transferred to Rakesh by RTGS. We transferred fund to Rakesh. Rakesh is a personal account. Debit the receiver. So Rakesh account debited. We are making payment. So bank is the giver. So Rakesh account data to bank. Value 50,000. Paid to Rakesh by RTGS. Next, on 11 September 2014, stationery purchased by Amazon Pay. Amazon Pay is a e-wallet. Amazon Pay is a e-wallet. We purchased the stationery. Stationery is a nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses. Stationery account data. The payment made by the e-wallet, so we can write it as bank. Value of the transaction 2,000 rupees. Purchased stationery. Paid by Amazon Pay. Students, at last I am going to conclude. Through this digital payment method, when we receive money, bank will be debited. When making payment, the bank will be credited. It may be any digital payment. It may be e-banking, online banking, net banking, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, ECS, debit card or credit card or e-wallet. We can use bank. When we receive money, we have to debit the bank. When we make payment, bank will be credited. Very easy. Now, journal part 4 over. In next class, we can learn about compound entry or combined entry. Till that, bye and thank you.